Hey, hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you a trick that I discovered. I'm here with my wife's Renault Zoe, which is extremely dusty on the inside. And I've discovered a very good trick to make her very clean and get rid of all the dust, which I'll show you now. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. Let's go. So we are now entering the Renault Zoe. And as you can see here, there is lots of dust in this car. Really a lot of dust. And also here, not sure if you can see this, but the dashboard is absolutely full with it. Now I would always get myself one of these towels, one of these microfiber cloths. And actually it doesn't really work. You spread the dust all over the place. So I've discovered a very simple trick, which I would like to show you right now. And it's so simple, and probably a lot of people you'll think like, yeah, but this I've used many times already, and it's not very innovative. But I've taken a Swiffer towel, the ones that you dust off at home, and I just go over the dashboard of the Renault Zoe, and the dust just comes right off. I find it so cool, it is so easy, but what I really like is when you have, for example, these sensitive touchscreen areas, yeah, you can just go right over it, all the dust is gone. But also here, in between these difficult to read cracks, and in the past, it was such a trouble with this cloth, and yeah, this is so effective. Every part you can get clean, but I also go, for example, here in the seats, and I think this is a great way to get rid of all that dust, yeah, before you, let's say, spray and clean your dashboard, or you want to do like a proper leather care in the car. So yeah, really happy with this Swiffer. Encourage you to also give it a try. You can go also in the vents. It is so versatile and so effective at removing dust. I really like it. Let me know whether you've used a Swiffer in the car or whether you use something else to get rid of all that surface dust. You can even use it on the mirror. And especially here I really like it because look how far it reaches in the back. Yeah, let me know what you use and if you have any other tips. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!